Some people in this world have a problem saying the truth. I don't know if you at home, you have the same problem. You're welcome to Obusi on Canada English. This afternoon, we are graced to have the whitest of presenters on the program. And then we're going to go to Bumyebe to eat some. You know what I'm talking about. Pastor Caleb is feeling fine today. And then Etundi, he just did his stuff with the kids and the girls on Afrozik, and he's here with us. Etundi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon today.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I see you're feeling like shy. Why you behave like that?
I had a declaration of love during the program, so I'm still.
Somebody said, from where?
You said I did my stuff, yeah.
From a guy or
No,
girl?
from a girl.
Okay.
From a girl, okay. And then on the menu today, we'll be having what?
We're having our guest, we're having the Mutumbu, as usual, the hot news, the Dutch Vela quiz.
Hope so. Hope we're gonna have it.
If you permit,
Yeah.
we're gonna have it.
Okay. Kelly is here with us. Kelly White.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's a pleasure having you here.
It's my pleasure being on Obusi.
Obusi ne.
Obusi ne.
Okay. You know, I don't even know what you mean. Obusi ne.
Yeah,
What
how
do
are
mean?
you?
Okay, I am Obusi.
Okay.
Metumba. Good afternoon, bro.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
A day.
You delicate, you know,
I'm fine. So,
Okay, you're ready for the interview. The hard interview.
I'm always ready.
Always very ready.
Oh, yeah.
Pastor Caleb.
Yes, sir.
Obusi.
I'm better.
Akiniye.
Chenu, now you're talking. Now you're talking.
Now I'm talking. Okay, if we know we put the program and say Akiniye. Oh, Atimingia. Okay, on the program, as Etuli said, we'll be having Mutumbu. Mutumbu is a slower, we'll play videos and then we'll criticize the videos.
Okay.
And then we're having gossips. We're talking about the accident Dynasty Lutik had a week ago on the Boulevard Yaoundé highway. And then our topic today, you're going to be giving us your take on the topic. Why are people so interested in sex topics? People are so interested in sex topics in Cameroon. When you talk sex, they'll write. If you want them not to talk economy or finance or any other thing that requires a lot of brainstorming. People will not talk. Okay, are you set for
Yes.
a slot?
Yeah.
Let's go, Mutumbu.
That's all the fuck I do, man. Work my motherfucking ass off. Smoking, drinking, 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 smoking, drinking. I've been smoking, I've been drinking. I don't know what I was thinking. I've been high all weekend. Drunk as fuck but still tweaking. So high I can't hear nobody. I can't even feel my body. Gon' need a paramedic probably. She off that cookie and a molly. This remind me of that mafia. Getting bread now I'm popular. If you hatin', keep it on the D-Lo. Got a shout out to my youngin' P-Lo. In the club and we smoking pre-rolls. Want me in your club, need a couple zeros. Bands will make us hold up plans, roll up all them grams. And my new car ain't a new car. See my new chain, say I went too far. See the watch face, say that's too hard. When I put gold in my 2-4, I did it just to match my pinky. And probably just so these fuck niggas could see me while I'm smoking, drinking, 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 smoking, drinking. It's the one.
we clap when we air interesting stuff, but this one we can't do that. The title of this song is "Smoke and Drink," and Wiz Khalifa. Can you know him so well?
Yeah.
And you watch the video.
Yeah. So I don't know. What should we criticize? The content or
Anything,
or the
just tell
container?
us. Just tell us.
As for the content, I think there's nothing wrong with it because Wiz has always been like that. I think this time around, even he didn't overdo stuff.
Yeah.
Because at times you see him in his toilet, you see him doing stuff which are really crazy.
Yeah.
But
So at times he goes cacking and
yeah, he
films
goes
it.
beyond this, and
Okay.
yes, and he airs it.
Yeah, so he
So-
cacks and airs.
So he cacas and airs.
Okay.
Yeah, but this time
Yeah.
around, I think he was a little more serious because he went into
Just
the
drinking and smoking.
and that's the title of the song. So for me, it's a normal thing. Drinking
There's no
and
problem
smoking.
about that.
No, about the topic. That's what I'm saying. For the container, it is correct because
Yes.
it's
And then
supposed
now
to
the
win it.
content.
Now the content, I think he has a target. He knows the people who are his fans, and he sings for them. They are those who drink, they are those who smoke, and he's really promoting it. For us, I don't think this is the type of video we like our kids to watch. I would like to
Parental
watch myself.
guidance is necessary.
Yes, I think
For
even,
us,
even
yeah.
up to 75 years. It's a -10. This one should go to at least -77.
Mitumba,
Oh, oui.
you watch Wiz Khalifa's movie Smoke and Drink. Kelly says the container has no problem, but the content, there's a problem with the content. In our own context, we will not advise people to watch, advising parental guardians. -75, that's Kelly's statement. Now, for people who say it's show business, even in Cameroon, it can go like that.
Oui,
There's
bien
so many
sûr.
smokers around and drinkers.
Bien sûr, il sait pourquoi il chante et pour qui il chante. Et la musique, ça doit faire des bruits. Ça. Et pour mieux écouter la musique, il faut être dans des endroits où ça grouille, ça bruit. Mais comme malheureusement les clips pareils sont diffusés à la télé, et la télé c'est pour tout le monde, il faut pouvoir choisir les heures de diffusion des pareils clips, parce que l'alcool c'est bien, mais c'est l'excès qui nuit.
The cigarette is dangerous.
Oui, la cigarette, vraiment, je ne sais même pas s'il faut...
Because if you see packets of cigarette nowadays, they say cigarette is dangerous to the health, cannot, but it's dangerous.
Mais on en fabrique
and now
toujours.
it kills.
Ben,
Say-
c'est une drogue, la cigarette. Bon, peut-être ça sert à certaines personnes pour faire certaines choses. Bon, mais...
And it's a good business.
Bon, c'est une industrie.
Yeah.
Les
That's
gens
show
ga-
business.
Voilà, les gens gagnent beaucoup d'argent derrière et qui ne vous dit pas que cette musique est même une commande pour les industries de cigarettes ou de boissons pour inciter les gens davantage à boire et à fumer. Donc, on a beau dire qu'il faut interdire aux gens de boire, mais ce n'est pas eux le problème. Le problème, c'est ceux qui fabriquent. Parce que si si vous êtes fumeur et que vous ne voyez pas de cigarettes, vous allez cesser de fumer. Si vous êtes consommateur, vous êtes un alcoolique ou quoi, si vous ne voyez pas d'alcool, vous allez cesser de boire. Mais il faut boire. Il faut fumer. Corneille disait.
So they are not fighting the right fight. Like those who are writing Kili on packet of cigarettes kills. Alcohol is dangerous to your health. But they keep on, like Bituma is saying, they keep on manufacturing this stuff.
But they are not the same people.
Yeah, but they go there on the packets and write.
Yeah, those who really want to buy it, they read it and they buy.
Yeah.
I think in some countries in Europe, they even deleted the message itself. Just put a very shocking picture that shows you what cigarette or alcohol can do.
Yeah.
But people,
Destroys the
they
liver.
still look at it keenly and then they drink.
Yeah.
They look at it and then they smoke.
They say these people
So,
want to discourage
yes,
us.
I mean,
see this one. The one guy discouraging me and him at the end. Matter, number thing.
Et par moment, c'est même.
In that which concerns censorship,
Yep.
in other countries like Congo, Kinshasa,
Yep.
the Ministry of Culture created an organ that is taking care of this thing. If you do a video, a pornographic video, or something that looks like that, it will not go on air.
Yeah.
But in Cameroon, no control.
There is no real control in Cameroon because the critics are not organized.
Yeah.
It is like when you air a video, they discover it on air, then they can decide that, okay, this one does not go on air as from now. Many videos and many adverts even have been aired in Cameroon. Since there's no real organ that follows up production of, I mean, every single production, it could be audio, video, there's no specific organ that is in charge of controlling it. They just wait for it to be done. And when it is done, one or two people decide, and then that's when they
You'll not
suspend
be
you.
aired. Okay, Mituba, la censure, censorship, can it come in now in Cameroon? Like all these videos that were airing coming from the Western world, can we say, okay, the Minister of Culture and Arts creates an organ that will demand for people who are sending their videos on Facebook, on television, on radio, to channel it to this organ first, and then the organ looks at it and then corrects it before it is aired.
Bien sûr, on ne doit pas diffuser n'importe quoi. Je crois qu'au ministère de la Culture, ça existe, hein, même si au fond, c'est pas appliqué. Toute vidéo doit avoir auparavant un permis, une autorisation de diffusion. On doit vérifier avant de faire diffuser. Bon, malheureusement, les réseaux sociaux sont venus renforcer cela, ça va dans tous les sens, on diffuse n'importe quoi. Je pense qu'on devait censurer certaines vidéos dans tout genre de médias, que ce soit sur les réseaux sociaux ou même à la télé.
It's not a Kelly Mitumba issue, Pastor. You have your take too. It's not like you're not here.
Can imagine.
Yeah. The man of God will tell us now his take on this video. Wiz Khalifa, drink and smoke.
He said drink and smoke. I borrowed a quote from, I don't know where it was him who said it, but they said Robert Mugabe. He said a cigarette is a small pipe with fire on one side and an idiot on the other side.
Let's clap for the pastor.
I'm not even sure.
Yeah, but they use Mugabe.
But
When you want to say their things.
so that's why, despite the
Pastor
fact
Mugabe.
you will see there is dangerous for your health, you still go and say, "Give me."
Yeah.
I
And you
want
pay
it.
for it.
And you pay. It means
Something that's gonna kill you.
it means you pay for your debt. So it takes a foolish man to do this. And for videos like this, I buy to tie to what you say. They should censor movies. Now they should create bodies like that to censor movies, but more to that, they should allocate punishment for those who push such videos, maybe on social medias. There should be an allocated punishment for them.
And not only punishing those who send information on social media and that which concerns
There should
them,
be
no
an
problem.
allocated that if you put a video on this on social media, on YouTube, on WhatsApp, you should be punished thoroughly.
Okay, Libon Liken, Madam Libon Liken, you see, you can send messages to one people who go about publishing porn videos on social media and TV. Etundi, you're the author of this one, so tell us. Kelly understood the whole thing, the container, the content, and then you now. That's business.
It's business, but this time around, Khalifa did not.
You're a changed person, you know. You're a lot of bed. When you
no,
choose
I'm a
video,
pastor.
bed,
I'm a pastor by my side.
you
So
should take care there. Okay.
God is by him.
God is by me. So this time around, Khalifa made it clear he's not hiding a message. So he's singing what he says in his title, smoking and drinking. But the thing is, he's not smoking common cigarette. He's smoking weed, and he wants to show
Call him Banga.
Yeah, the Kombanga, and he might be singing. Yeah, he might be singing for a category of people, but these people on social media should make it difficult for the kids to go and watch this type of music, and they should make it the proceedings
On
or
YouTube,
the proceedings
yeah.
difficult. Yeah, to subscribe. You should first of all they should do something like
age,
subscribing
yeah.
before getting into these videos, because those videos are there, and when you go, you can download them and watch them every.
You think that's a problem, Kelly? Because on YouTube, if you want to watch a porn video, even if you have 12 years, you can go there, say you were born 1960, and you watch.
Even less
Less
than
than,
10. I mean, you can even be 5.
Yeah.
The more you can
Because when they ask you all those things, you just put the information clear. You
I
can
mean,
watch.
people do lie.
Yes.
I think that's the main factor we all agree on what concerns internet.
Yeah.
Most people lie.
So it's easy
Many
to
things.
sell a lie. Okay, the pastor is here. Pastor Oyo Slot, I think we're all ears. We'll watch you and then listen to you. This is your camera. After this, you can go with this one, because the last time I said you go one camera, you went and you forgot the camera here. So this is a lot of camera
I
here.
badly need one.
Yeah, Emmanuel bought so many cameras here. I mean, Mr. Chatri.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go with your slot.
Well, sorry for being absent some days now. Thank God we are here. All right. Right now, I want us to look into the scriptures. Nahum chapter 1, verse 8. The scripture says that, what do you imagine against the Lord? He will bring an utter end. And then it says, affliction shall not rise the second time. What do you imagine against the Lord? Oftentimes we find ourselves in positions where we we think that God is not able to give us the necessary solution. Now, you think about so many things. You think that God is not there. You, after praying for headache, at the end of the prayers, it becomes a cancer. And you're saying, God, what is happening? Are you still there? Are you still there? Now the question comes, what do you imagine against the Lord? What are you thinking that God cannot do? What are you thinking that it's the limitation of God, that God can work to this extent, but beyond this extent, he can do nothing? What do you imagine against the Lord? He says that he will bring an utter end. What the meaning of that is, the solution, though it might tarry, the truth is it will surely come. And like I always say, that the problem that you are going through doesn't make the word of God true or false. In other words, your problem can never visa the word of God. The magnitude of your problem doesn't make the word of God of any reality or falsehood. The word of God remains the word of God. And that's why I've come to assure somebody watching on me this hour who is imagining in his heart that God is failing, that God is dead, that God is not still alive. Oh boy, I've come to tell you, there is a God in heaven, and he will bring an utter end. Though weeping may endure for a night, what happened is joy comes in the morning. And who determines the season of the morning? It's God. And so what I have to do, I wait upon the Lord, because scripture says that they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles, run, not go weary, walk and not faint. And this because what you think about God is the way you will live your life. Belief influences behavior. Belief influences behavior. What do you believe about God? Now, I didn't say, do you go to church? Far from that. Because we have so many church people, so many people who are pastors, friends of pastors, and yet they are occupying the first seat in hellfire. What do you imagine against the Lord? My brother, my sister, I've come to encourage you this hour. Whatever you're going through, whatever is the pain, whatever is the sorrow, and you say, Pastor, I prayed and there was no solution, pray again. Say, Pastor, I fasted, there was no solution, fast again. Pray until something happens. You push. Pray until you see your miracle knock at your door. I pray for you this day that even as you decide to return back to God and put your trust in God and imagine in your heart that God can do everything but fail, then he will make things possible for you. God bless you and have a wonderful evening in his presence. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Pastor. If we're ready, we'll be commenting Gossips Kongosa with Etundi. Mr. Etundi,
Yeah, Senator.
are you set for the slot?
I'm set for the
Mitumba,
slot.
are you ready for it? Mark off. Champagne. Gossips. It's a champagne one I drink. I don't drink Kelly.
Over chicken.
No, I never chop chicken. Salmon. Salmon. You know that fish now? What na salmon or na salmon?
Raw fish.
No, na fish. You mean raw. So I need a lot of protein, animal protein. Okay, Tuni.
Yeah, let's start with our gossip page. Opens today with Dynasty Le Tigre, the famous author of the song Joue-moi le Mendiant, who had an accident, a motor car accident on his way back to his
from Ebolova,
where he went to shoot his last video. So many people are saying that this is a mystical accident as usual, and that is the same case with what happened with Loco, and that he surely wanted to sell out his group, the members of his team, and unfortunately for them, he published a post on his Facebook page where he said that his car fell, but nobody in his group has been touched, and that everybody is safe.
Just minor injuries.
Yeah, just minor injuries.
Kelly, Dynasty Lutik after Loco, Dynasty Lutik.
Yeah, it's really bad.
On the same road.
Yeah, I think the problem is, somebody sang it, the problem is not our roads all the time, because at times
Yeah,
it is,
Black Rogers.
yeah, it's
La
the
rue
way
ne
we
tue
use,
pas, mais c'est nous qui tuons.
yeah, it's the way we use it. I don't know in what condition they really were when they were coming back, because
Might
with
be,
Loco,
yeah.
most of them were tired at the time they were leaving. I don't know if that was the case with Dynasty as
Some
well.
of them, they
Yeah.
drive with cut neck speed.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But when you start thinking the artist wanted to sell off some of his partners, I mean,
Crew members.
when it happens that yourself, you're touched, I mean, you wanted to sell yourself.
Because he was in the car.
Because he could have died.
Yeah, he was in the car. He had some
Yeah.
bruises, injuries, and all that.
So I think the idea is very Cameroon-like. I mean, we always want somebody to be responsible for what is happening to us. We always need somebody in the...
Because you're successful, you have an accident, we
Yeah.
want to sell people. Because
If you're
successful,
successful, if you're doing good, if you really have a plan for your life, there is something wrong somewhere.
Mitumba,
For a Cameroon...
have you ever occurred to you that because an incident occurred where you were there and then you're a successful comedian and a successful film writer today,
And that
they
is
say
money is not
you have money, your money is not simple, you want to sell people?
Bah, c'est toujours comme ça. Lorsqu'on réussit, pour le commun des mortels, pour les Camerounais surtout, les Congosistes.
Because we are doing gossips.
Oui, oui. C'est, rien n'est simple. Donc, c'est que tu es allé quelque part ou bien tu as mis la main quelque part et tout, rien n'est simple. Pourtant, quand c'est un commerçant, comme c'est quelqu'un anodin qui est au quartier, dont la situation sociale a changé, on n'en parle pas trop. Voilà, donc quand c'est un homme public, on pense toujours que l'artiste ou tout homme public réussit en faisant toujours quelque chose de louche ou bien en mettant la main quelque part.
Pastor.
C'est un travail comme tout le reste.
Yeah,
Donc,
yeah. Lazy
quand
people
on
always sit
travaille,
there and think that
oui, c'est des
to succeed
idiots,
in
c'est des
life,
fainéants.
you need to go and sell your finger, sell your head.
Voilà.
He calls them stupid people. Pastor, is it the same adjective you're going to use?
I might use a more harsher one,
Yeah.
or a lesser one. But the truth is that when you are succeeding, people have something to say about you. And that's why when you're succeeding like you, like Etundi, you must watch whatever you do in public or private, because there was somebody watching and they will give a message to what you're doing. Dynasty Lutik is a rising star, and people, maybe there are some people who are wondering at the speed in which he's where he is, not knowing what the labor he's doing at the background, behind the scene. And when things like this happen, they are bad omens, they come, and they will definitely say this guy was trying to dish out blood to rise. But I don't really tie it to that. I don't really tie it to that. Greatness has its price, and the price is hard work, not blood, not.
Yeah, Pastor, that said, I mean, we still know that these people exist. You have people back home in our villages, even in our houses, who are ready to do stuff like this. There are people who come into your career and want to stop you from being bigger than what you are. We definitely have people who are into dark stuff.
No.
But it does not mean it is always the case. But these people do exist. There are people who really want to poison you.
Yeah.
Some really
If you're asking me that,
Some gain
or-
fame
Yeah.
mysterious
if
means.
you're saying that they do exist, if you're asking like a question, I will tell you that. Ask me if they exist or not.
Do they exist?
I'm in a well placed to tell
Yes.
you
So
whether
for
they
the
exist.
pastor,
So do they exist?
you have people
They
who
are
gain
around
their
us.
fame
They are
because
around us.
They went to a juju.
They're all over
They
the
are
place.
around us. They are-
Around us.
They are around. So I cannot be an advocate for Dynasty Lutigre. No, I cannot.
We just
be.
hope it's not somebody
Yeah.
who wanted to finish with
Yes.
that.
That's blackmail.
Yeah.
Or somebody want to kill him.
Yeah, to kill him.
So I look at it from a passerby's point of view.
Okay.
It was an accident.
Okay.
Ben, c'est un artiste et
Yeah.
l'artiste était un être normal comme tout le reste, même
Yeah.
si son métier le met un peu à part. Donc l'artiste peut mourir, l'artiste peut faire un accident, l'artiste peut se heurter, l'artiste
Peut tomber malade. Yeah.
Donc c'est pas un extraterrestre. Je ne vois pas pourquoi on doit voir derrière cet accident des choses mystiques.
Thank you. Etude.
Yes,
Paul Pogba. What has he done again? He
when
plays
you're a
with
star,
Manchester
when you're a star,
United.
you can when you're a star, you can also die for your popularity. And this time around, it's Paul Pogba. That's the midfielder of the French national team, who was physically harassed by some fans in a restaurant in Manchester where he was going to take his dinner with his friends. So he refused to sign an autograph, and the man broke
created havoc
outrageously and fell on him, started shooting at him, sending him dishes and spoons and fork and everything. And that is how a fight broke in between his fans there in the restaurant.
I had to leave.
Yes, and he had to leave.
Eating.
Yeah.
Why would they don't do it for
But both sides are guilty. I mean,
But he was supposed to sign the autograph. You are a star.
He was saying
you are a prisoner. You're a
but
public figure.
you have responsibility
You have
towards
responsibility
people.
to do that.
No.
No, Mituba, but you come in. You're going to eat. You're in a restaurant, and then your fan come to you for an autograph. Yeah.
Ben, écoutez, ici, dans un restaurant, vous devez signer l'autographe à tout le monde. Finalement, vous n'allez pas manger.
But they were not eating. The story is they were not eating. They were entering the restaurant.
Il est allé manger.
Yes.
Donc, s'il y a une pléthore de personnes qui viennent et qui demandent à les autographes, il donne à 1, 2, 3 individus, mais il ne doit pas continuer puisque plus tu
Did
en
he
donnes,
sign anyone?
No.
He didn't sign.
il dit ça.
No.
Voilà, ça c'est un problème.
I come from a different angle. A hungry man is an angry man. A man cannot walk to a restaurant to eat and you're saying sign me autograph. I won't sign it. I won't sign it.
Yeah, because you're hungry.
I'm hungry.
Then you are a public figure.
No. Senator, look,
Yeah.
being a public figure does not make you to punish yourself.
But it makes you be humble, down to earth,
Yeah.
understand other people.
But what
Even if
Mituba
you're
said is
hungry,
also true,
it's
Mr.
yeah,
Senator.
I understand.
Somebody, I had a word keeping last week, and we were at the mortuary the next day. So, do you imagine somebody, a so-called fan who comes to watch in the mortuary, we're just next to the corpse, and he wants a selfie? I was like, are you serious?
Yeah, with the cops, you want
Yeah,
to
I
selfie.
just looked at him like, are you serious? You just look at the
The
place
situation where we find ourselves.
and the guy went that was waiting outside in front of the mortuary, so he was waiting.
For his
so that
selfie.
there are moments where you really don't feel like.
The
you don't
Mituba
want-
was in a way saying that he did sign some autograph.
Yeah, I mean, he was saying if the guy had signed one or two, let
Yeah.
him go and eat.
Yeah.
I mean, and if he's hungry the way
But
Pastor is saying.
okay, so
don't
but,
try
Paul
hungry
Pogba,
man.
you have a right to sign or not. And then when the fight broke out, now the guy who started the fight will be questioned by the police.
C'est le,
And not Paul
revers,
Pogba.
c'est le revers de la notoriété.
Yeah.
Parce que tout le monde veut être satisfait par leur idole. Malheureusement, l'idole en question ne peut pas satisfaire tout le monde. Il y en a qui vont se sentir lésés et s'ils ne sont pas pondérés, ils peuvent pousser le bouchon loin, comme c'est le cas avec
Paul Pogba.
Paul Pogba. Bon, c'est regrettable. Ben, il faut que, je dis toujours que le public, les fans comprennent que l'artiste est un être normal. C'est-à-dire qu'il a les mêmes problèmes, les
Yeah.
mêmes désirs que toi. S'il a faim et
He's
qu'il veut
never
manger
perfect.
vraiment,
He's a human being.
ne lui empêchez pas de manger. Laissez-le manger et demandez-lui.
And at times, some of them are I don't know, they have terrible attitude problem. You're even eating, they'll tell you, sign it before you continue to eat.
And they look at you as
They
if-
say, why do you want to sign it? Because you're eating. You want me to wait here for what? I love what you are doing. It's not.
The hooligan type of
Yeah,
fan.
so
And
stop
some
behaving the way you're
fans are
behaving.
really, are really
Arrogant.
dangerous.
Yeah. Yes.
Because just a simple example of what happened to John Lennon. I mean, he was killed by somebody who loved him, a fan who was in love with him. So he just felt like, I love you so much, I have to kill you. Because he's like, the fan thinks you belong to him. So he ends up feeling as if you belong to him, then he has to do what you believe.
Whatever he
Non,
wants
c'est
with
les-
you.
c'est les gars de folie chez les Blancs. Heureusement que
If someone tries a thing like that with Mitumba, will see the karate.
Les coups de poing vont sortir de karate. C'est facile.
Senator, let's ask the question.
Yeah.
If it was a white who refused to sign that autograph,
Yeah.
could that fan behave like
For
that?
sure, it's a hooligan. They don't care because the
Hooligans,
problem is not
most of them are
racism.
white.
Because
Moi, je pense pas que c'est
the
une
problem is
question
not racism. It's not
de
racist
racisme.
because they did not insult him. They did not
Okay.
insult him. The problem of the fan was
Why
just
not to
autograph,
sign?
just autograph,
And-
not
and-
because black or white.
Okay.
Dans la rue, pour certains artistes, il y a des fans qui te voient et demandent à venir les saluer. C'est-à-dire, mais tu es en train de passer ou bien de rouler, on dit que viens me saluer. Bon, mais quand tu ne le fais pas, c'est des problèmes. Et tout, ben, c'est pas souvent facile de gérer.
That one is nice, Mutumba. Okay, Etundi.
Now
the Trump
the
has
next-
cancelled Mutumba. So now we're going to America to meet
America,
this
yes.
genius.
Some
Talk
call
about
him a
this-
genius.
Yeah.
Some say he is soiling.
or the son,
Cameroonian-
or the son of Donatien Kwanye.
Yes, his name is Rodri Bogom. Some say he's a genuine, and some say that he is somehow
Soiling the name of
Cameroonian. So this guy was caught. He was arrested in New York, not in New York, in the USA, because he was manufacturing fake credit cards and fake pizza cards. And that he was doing it for 7 years, and he was feeding with this card. He was using the cards to feed himself, to pay his rent at the Hilton
his
Hotel
bills.
where he was living at Dixon County. So he was not caught because they were suspecting him of doing cards. He was just caught
they found the cards-
during a routine check
police
on the-
check.
on a police check on the street where he was riding to the next town, and that is how they discovered the machine which was manufacturing these cards, and that is how he was caught, and he was seen with hundreds and hundreds of
A
cards.
good-looking
I think
guy.
we have.
I
Has
have
a video, right?
That
Have
even
a vi-
his
yeah.
beauty is
Let's have a listen to the report. This NBC
Made
News.
another sizable bust yesterday on I-40. Andy Corday has been working this story for about a month now. He's live in the Crime Tracker Center with this News 2 exclusive. Andy?
Well, you know, task force agents often find fraudulent credit cards, but yesterday was different. They found thousands of dollars worth of pizza cards, gift cards. Wednesday morning, agents with the 23rd Judicial Drug Task Force pull over this rental car on I-40 West. The 32-year-old driver can't find his ID and says it may be in a suitcase in the back.
Yes, sir.
It's not long before agents find this die set.
See the die set back here?
Investigators tell me it's used to punch names and numbers onto fraudulent credit cards.
What's unique about this case, agents tell me that they scraped off the numbers here and then using a tool like this, punched their own numbers right onto the card.
Agents are also surprised to find this embossing machine.
This is actually the first one we've saw personally.
They say it's an even faster way to alter fraudulent credit cards.
You gotta see that, boss.
Eventually, the Cameroon national is arrested. A further search of the car yields all this. You're looking at fake IDs, fraudulent credit cards,
It was actually embossed with another number.
and close to 100 gift cards from Pizza Hut, Jimmy John's, Krispy Kreme, and Home Depot. Agents also find expensive designer sunglasses and high-top basketball shoes from Louis Vuitton, as well as this exclusive Versace watch.
When you don't use your own money, you can purchase things like that.
Agents tell me the suspect used stolen financial data that he loaded onto these gift cards, which, unlike Visa and MasterCards, are more difficult to cancel. Agents tell me the suspect made money by selling a $50 pizza card for a cash discount to unsuspecting citizens.
If this is really $50, it's valuable. It's worth $50 to a family who wants to have pizza tonight.
Sure.
He says, I'll sell it to you for $30.
Yeah,
Everybody wins.
50 or 80 cents on the dollar.
That's how they make their money?
typically. And agents tell me the suspect was staying at the Hilton in downtown Nashville, and you guessed it, he was paying his bill with fake credit cards. We're live here in the Crime Tracker Center. We're going to send it back to you.
Thank you, Andy. That suspect was charged with 18 counts of criminal simulation.
You know what I'm laughing is that I thought the guy was from Bamenda. And the pastor is
He
not
might be
accepting.
from
He might
Bamenda.
be from Bamenda. He might be a graphic man. Graphic can be Bameleke or Bamenda. I don't know.
It's such a
Pastor,
pity. I mean,
what's his name again?
Rodri Bogom.
Bogong Rodrigue. Yeah, it looks like Graphi.
No, it's not Bamileke.
It sounds Bameleke.
Qu'importe
Mais
où il est,
Graphi,
c'est
c'est
un
Bamileke.
Camerounais, on a
No,
le
no,
même.
let's specify.
C'est ce qu'il a
Bamenda. Don't just say graphic. Other Bamenda
it's
for
a
Bamileke.
grass field, so. A grass field.
No, we are joking here.
Oui, oui, oui,
Yeah.
je
But
comprends.
it's a Cameroonian. It's a Cameroonian.
C'est
yeah.
un Camerounais.
Yeah. For 7 years, Bitumba, for 7 years, he has been doing this. MasterCard, Visa cards. Wow. Paying his.
And the pizza card.
Yeah,
because they
pizza
have-
card. So if you want to eat, you just
Yes.
command your pizza and they bring it home and then you nyama. You pay hotel bills for 7 years. Only God knows. Huh? He looks like we had a friend who used to do that. It's somewhere. I don't know.
Bah, c'est pas normal ce qu'il fait, mais c'est un esprit qu'il faut canaliser. Je crois que ce genre de personnes, il faut mieux les utiliser.
And I assure you, Kelly,
Oui, je
Bitumba,
crois.
I'm not cutting you. I assure you that the Visa company is going to use him
Voilà.
to look for fraudsters.
But this guy
For his
is
better
32.
place.
Oui, ben,
They should use
They
him,
should employ him.
canalize
oui,
him.
c'est, je dis,
He should go to jail first.
I
C'est
doubt.
vrai.
I doubt.
Ce qu'il a fait est
Yeah, these are people's
punissable.
money.
Yeah.
Mais je dis, son esprit, son intelligence peut être utile à l'humanité.
Kelly, do you know of Christophe
Voilà, donc,
Okonkwo?
et,
Yes, I do.
et
Yeah.
il faut punir,
Very well.
il faut punir ce qu'il a fait.
Exactly.
Et après, il faut canaliser ce genre
Do you know of Christophe Okonkwo?
Yeah, that famous.
Oui,
famous,
oui,
yeah,
c'est le-
fraudster.
bien sûr, bien sûr.
In America.
He did that
Yeah,
in France.
in
the
France,
US.
in Britain, Canada, everywhere. And today he's a star.
Yeah.
He's a celebrity.
But for today, I'm really just happy that we'll have people like Richard Bodnar out there, the same like
People are swelling the
yeah,
name
who
of-
are Cameroonian. Because if we think of Cameroon just with this guy who
Yeah.
looks so good, I think even, I was saying his
Yeah.
beauty might even be fake. Maybe he's even copying that face he has. It's not him. Because I cannot understand. This is a very sad picture of our
But
country.
where you in Europe, Pastor Caleb, Mitumba O'Kelly? I went to fix my phone in a shop in Europe, and the guy asked me, "Are you Cameroonian?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Pay me first." I said, "Why?" He said, No. If you're Cameroonian, you have to pay me first, because if you don't pay, I will not fix your phone." I said, "You have the phone, I'll fix it. I'll come and pay." No, you guys, I can fix it, and then you come and remove it. I will not see it.
Oui.
That's
People are afraid.
reputation. They are
Yeah.
used-
C'est une mauvaise réputation que malheureusement,
Even the white ladies are afraid of Cameroonians.
bien sûr. Et c'est pour ça que je dis, il faut canaliser les esprits camerounais aussi. Parce que tous ces gens, la plupart des faussaires, des féminins qui sont hors du Cameroun et même au Cameroun, ils ont quelque chose d'ingénieux qu'il faut exploiter. Bon, il faut...
The Secret Service should use them.
Oui, les services secrets devaient les repérer, les répertorier, les prendre et
embaucher.
les embaucher.
Yeah.
Parce qu'ils peuvent créer des choses
That's
importantes.
simple. If he holds a Visa card with his hand, he will tell you it's a fake one. He will
Yeah.
tell you he doesn't need any machine, because them they need machines
Voilà.
to verify. But he will just no, this is fake.
Bon, c'est aussi des gens qui aiment la facilité et tout.
No, you
Bah,
pay
bah,
him
bah,
well,
bah.
he will not
Mais si
continue.
on le paye bien,
Yeah,
il-
like
il-
the other services, Secret Service agents,
Mais
they are paid well.
I don't
Bon,
think
c'est
that
qu'il
guy
y a des gens qui ont les gènes de vol.
Like they are kleptomans.
Il y a la kleptomanie. Tu fais n'importe quoi, il va toujours chercher à voler.
Is it kleptomania or so because of hardship in the United States of America? You know how life is very hard there. Then the guy said,
we
"Okay,
can't-
let me use my brain to live."
we can't take that from Bogom, this guy from down there. He's a genius. And he's a genius. So,
a thief at the same time.
He's a genius and a thief. And like my brother is saying, we can tap from him what he has, because there is something he has which is more advanced than the current system. Now, if we bring in what he has and we put into the current system, it's going to take the current system a step ahead of thieves, and it's going to help us greatly, I believe.
Okay, today.
Yeah,
you
the
carry
last
on to
one,
Garwa.
yeah, this last one is about what they call the trophy challenge. The guys from the north, the north and the far north decided to send us a video to show us that they are the ones who best received this trophy tour, and that in the whole day it was that
was a
group,
child's
but
play.
it was a child's play. Same
In Bafoussam,
Bafoussam,
child's play.
but
In
that day they
Bamenda
were
was
the
a
best.
disgrace.
Yeah, that's Lumbuka and Abubakar and some were best received in their region. So we have a video.
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Okay, let's watch. Patrick, give us the video. Trophy tour challenge.
The video is still to come.
Yeah, he's
He's
still
doing
searching
the
for
tour.
the video. This should be Rodrigue, Patrick Rodrigue. What's his name?
Bogom.
Bogom.
it on the-
Patrick Bogom.
He's reading.
Yeah, the last element, Patrick. The last video on Gossip today. Let's see
So it was a
what
very-
Abubakar and San did. But before coming with the video, just 1 minute before coming, did you see the usefulness of this tour? 500 million being used
I don't-
to carry this trophy, this 7 kilograms of massive gold from one region to the other. That is 50 million per region.
I don't even want to think about that amount of money,
Yeah.
because it is not almost, it is a very big shame. I think it even turned out I remember the day it came to Douala, many people were so angry because almost all activities were stopped. Cars could not go around.
Yeah.
We were so happy the day we won that. It kind
The
of
wahala
broke-
that follows.
Yeah, it broke
yeah.
the all
economy.
The show,
yes,
the
all the
economy,
life
yeah.
we gave to that trophy. Everybody was angry, like, I cannot even cross the road, I cannot do this, I cannot do that. And if for that we have to add money to it, and that kind of
Yeah.
money, that amount of money, I think these people, I hope there are people.
Okay, you think these people, you hope they are people. Michuma, before we come to that challenge, this trophy challenge in Garo, Abubakar Besson and Alium Bukar, the former
brandishing
goalkeeper.
the trophy.
Did you see, when you won the trophy, we were happy like every Cameroonian. But now, they are announcing to us that 500 million is being used to carry this trophy without the players.
Even with the
Around
players,
Cameroon,
even with the players, it will have been useless.
Useless, yeah.
Parce que je ne vois pas ce que ça apporte en plus. Les jours qu'ils ont gagné, on a célébré et tout.
On était contents.
On était contents et on continue d'être contents d'avoir gagné ce trophée. Mais tous ces pèlerinages qu'on fait avec les trophées de ville en ville, de région en région.
My brother Paul, my college vigilature.
Ça n'apporte rien. Au contraire. Ça freine les activités économiques.
Offices are closed, governor
même
will not
les
work,
écoles.
schools are closed.
Écoutez, l'enseignant que je suis, est-ce que vous savez que pendant que ce trophée est venu à Douala, on a écrit dans tous les établissements scolaires de faire sortir les élèves pour accueillir les lions. Ça veut dire que c'est des programmes scolaires qui sont stoppés, il faut rattraper, etc. Et pour applaudir les voitures qui passent. Parce que le monde, c'est curieux.
1 second. I just saw it like.
Pastor, Mitumba, it's like a shame.
Yes,
the world is watching us. Removing students from their classes, peoples, mass them around the roads, highway, an accident can occur and then something will happen. Like in Douala, traffic jam, economic slow down. In Bamenda, people were ferrying in from Bafoussam to Bamenda because of this boycott of this trophy. So the money they are spending to carry this trophy from one region to the other, is it like you understand it? Because the people everybody needs to see it. That's what they said.
Senator, our actions of today must have tomorrow in mind. For the government to just sit and spend 500 million and tell the people who pay this tax, this money, and we have spent 500 million to carry the cup from one region to another. What does it add to the national income of this country? What does it add? But sorry to say this, maybe we are used to waste. To waste, you just say, on a utilisé 1 milliard pour construire, we use 10 billion on which there is nothing being constructed. So it's just another name of our nation, things not going the way it's supposed to go.
Okay, let's watch the trophy challenge in Garwa. Call challenge. Should we cry or clap?
I just hope they were paid, because if they were paid for it, at least
Most of them were paid.
their families ate that
Something.
day, and I hope they'll eat for the whole week. But
The whole year.
Yeah, as Mitumba and Pastor said, I think this is a very big waste and a shame. It was not necessary at all, and they should normally apologize for what they did.
Okay, Pastor, you believe in us?
Yeah.
I want us to air this video. It's X Malaya singing Mon Mariage. It's not I want to get married tomorrow. It is the marriage of somebody, and people are getting married, so it's like an anthem, a hymn for those who are getting married nowadays. If it's ready, the three of them, okay, Ice, Roger, and Auguste are singing Mon Mariage, and featuring, I don't know, next one.
It's feel real.
C'est le jour de notre mariage. Aujourd'hui là, moi je t'épouse. Bébé, veux-tu devenir ma femme? Ma ont saboté, découragé. Oh. Ils ont dit jamais, 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 jamais. Ce voyou-là, il va se marier.
Ah bon?
Aujourd'hui, un jour de vérité. Oh.
Ça va se savoir.
Bébé, s'il te plaît, appelle ta tante qui parlait Manolo. Venez voir le mariage. Oh, oui, oh. Bébé, oublie les soucis, n'oublie pas d'appeler ta copine. Juste pour nous voir danser. Oh, yeah. Bébé, oublie comme ça, n'oublie pas d'appeler la voisine. Oh, juste pour nous voir danser. Oh, yeah. Kumbele, 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 danser. Oh, yeah. Kumbelele, kumbele, kumbele, danser. Oh, yeah. Tu es ma beauté, mon chocolat, mon diamant. Ma Ferrari, ma Bugatti, ma Lamborghini. Tu es celle que j'aime, tu es tout pour moi. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. La petite de mes rêves, celle que j'adore. Oh. Mina you, toi et moi pour la vie. La future maman de mes mouna, elle me fera du domba. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Toi et moi, juste toi et moi, et mon bébé, viens dans mes bras. Je te fais petit câlin, un petit câlin. Oh, 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 bébé, oublie les soucis, n'oublie pas d'appeler tes camarades. Oh, juste pour nous voir danser. Oh, bébé, oublie comme ça, n'oublie pas d'appeler la voisine. Oh, elle vient nous voir danser. Oh, danser. Danser. On y va. Bébé, nous sommes unis pour le meilleur et le pire. Bébé, je te promets juste le meilleur.
Saga, saga,
Tu
saga.
es mon bébé, mon unique. C'est placé.
It's Feel Bill. It's Feel Bill.
Yeah, feel beer. It's in Boya.
Yeah.
You love
Very
this song, Kelly,
talented guy.
just for you because of
Oh,
because
thank
I invited you. So okay, let's play
Thank
this video.
you, thank you.
Okay.
It was on my wedding.
Okay, there's this small video. Let's play it so that you just Patrick give us the little video so that Kelly should comment. Come again, Patrick, with the video. That video is a few seconds, huh? Kelly,
Yeah.
What?
comment.
They had in the back.
That was the kiss for the video.
The video.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It was the kiss. I
Okay.
think.
Are you ready to watch something again? Okay. Let's go to Canal d'Or. See this one. The other video. That was 2015 at
Yes, 2 years
the
ago.
Congress Center in Yaoundé.
Mesdames et messieurs, nous sommes 40 millions à vivre cet événement, les Canals d'Or Acte 10, et je voulais profiter de la présence des caméras ici, cet instant magique que nous vivons ce soir, la culture camerounaise, pour adresser un petit message à celle qui est dans mon cœur, à la femme que j'aime, comme vous aussi, vous aimez vos épouses. Et ce soir, je me suis dit qu'avec la présence des autorités ce soir, avec le monde qui nous regarde ce soir, j'aimerais lui dire que je l'aime. Et j'aimerais lui dire ce soir et lui poser la question devant vous, je vous prends à témoin. Cette femme, elle est là. Kelly White, cela fait depuis quelque temps, tu ne le savais pas. Je suis en France, toi tu vis au Cameroun. Nous vivons notre histoire d'amour et je voulais profiter des caméras ce soir et la présence de la première dame du Cameroun pour te dire et te demander, veux-tu m'épouser ce soir ?
Je viens t'épouser, Pascal. T'es sérieux?
Très sérieux. Veux-tu m'épouser?
Bien sûr que je vais t'épouser, Pascal. Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
C'est vrai que personnellement, je ne m'y attendais pas. Merci Pascal.
Alors, mesdames et messieurs,
Est-ce que vous y avez cru vraiment?
vous venez de vivre un instant de comédie, à l'instant en direct à la télévision pour ce canal d'or.
Mais
But now it's not Kelly because all of us we were there at the Yaoundé Congress Center during this Canal d'Or. And Michumba, you were there.
No.
Ah, you were not in Cameroon.
No, I was.
You were not in Cameroon, but you watched it on TV.
Yes, I watched.
What was your reaction when you saw this? Did you get the whole story? Later when they were saying comedian and all that, did you get it?
Bon, moi, en tant que metteur en scène, et tous, bon, je savais, les connaissant tous les deux, je savais que c'était une mise en scène. Parce que, bon, du moins, ils ont pu créer l'émotion qu'il fallait.
Yeah.
Bon, moi, je n'ai pas ressenti ça parce que je le connaissais. Si Kelly doit se marier, je dois savoir.
It's not going to be
Voilà.
like that. Not
Voilà.
on TV.
Et ce ne sera pas à la télé et tout ça. Donc, bon, mais cela a contribué à agrémenter la soirée.
Yeah.
Moi, je crois
It was
que
fantastic.
ces choses comme ça, il faut l'imaginer. C'était
Yeah.
fantastique.
You need only artists can do stuff like that.
Voilà.
Etundi, where were you? Somewhere in Douala, Yaoundé. You're watching TV.
Please, can you? I know the story, but I can't remember the exact date.
No, don't mind.
No, because I need it.
What do you want to do with the date?
To know if you were still in the country by then.
Okay, you were not in the country.
On the 20
8th of March,
of
2015.
2015, yes, on the 20. There was a big story because people said it was just.
What do you want to do with the
it
date?
was just,
Explain
it was
to us
just,
first.
it was just a.
It
I
will
wanted
come-
to know,
come
I wanted
with
to
the
know
dates,
where
yeah.
I was at that.
Okay,
that
so where were you
particular-
now?
I was
Answer my
in-
question.
I was in Soa.
Yes.
Yes, I was in Soa. Because there are two stories. There are two similar stories. The first one was when I was still in the secondary school.
Yeah.
A similar story, and
What was that story when you were in the secondary school?
Just on stage, no, it was in sport. It was like Olympic Games, something like Olympic Games. Somebody
Asked for the hand of a lady in marriage.
Yes, of another athlete. So I was trying
It happened
to make it short.
2002.
Yeah.
2002,
NBA.
the Japan. Let me go to the World Cup. It's not NBA. I mean in Japan. Michael Owen promised marriage to the girlfriend if England had to win the cup. But he knew that England was not supposed to.
Even the French coach did that.
But Dominic did say.
Raymond Dominic did that. That's what happened in
Yeah, but
marriage.
now in NBA, I think something like that happened too.
Yeah, it was really after the game.
So, Calvino, MC Calvino Walang.
Present
I mean,
day.
talk your name again, more, yeah.
Anyhow, any man way it don't miss me. Now because I miss myself, so I go enjoy. But if you come for the first time, they call me Kavino Walang. Ajis and be come on Igang as Kuli Wangumbong. Sanga akutui. Tui. Welcome.
So say we did more clap for Calvino.
It's a welcome.
Calvino say we did that thing happened. 28th of March.
Wait, I don't understand. When I try to say no be true, they never married. When I never married,
talk it to you and talk your mind.
No, because me, I be blog. That time, I been a blogger that time. I remember that time.
Yeah.
I been a blogger. I be blog about it,
Yeah.
Say they married. I been visit the same invitation card for married. It means not be true because they wait since married. The wait married.
2 years come,
Married they come. I feel say it don't mean an emergence.
Yeah. But Kelly, do you understand because on the media, even journalists, serious journalists, didn't get what you said. That was a comedy. They didn't get that.
There are many of them.
Yeah, but you said it on air, and I was like struggling to explain to people that you just the ring on her finger, and then when they removed the ring from one finger to the other finger, and then she even said that was comedy. Pascal Pierre said same, but people will not believe.
Yeah, I think people really wanted to dream.
Yeah.
And that was a dream moment. And they didn't want
You
anything
throw them into
to
an
come and
ocean.
kill it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And ourselves, because we thought about the that scenario, I think, the day before.
Yeah.
And I was wondering because I was very worried. I was not sure Pascal was able to play. So I was asking him, okay, I want to set this up. Are you sure you're able to play? Can you play? Can you, because he's always like, you know, he's the type of show guy.
The bragging
So
man.
are you able to play, to pretend? He said, no, he can do it. Say, okay, if you can do that, we'll try it tomorrow. And we didn't rehearse for it. We didn't rehearse.
When you were
It was
coming
just
on,
like-
the director of the program, did the director know about that?
Yeah, only the director knew about
Okay.
it. I just
Because
told him.
they filmed it with such a professionalism
Yeah.
that they were there, the fingers, they filmed everything.
Yeah. Nobody else knew because I knew in the crew if one person had known,
They'll leak it the
yeah,
same
they
way.
would have either said something or told you, no, do it this way, do it the other
Don't
way. I
do
just
it,
wanted
or
us
don't do it.
to do it naturally. So
I wanted Chop to be here today. Unfortunately, he's not feeling fine because after leaving, he himself was telling me
Even
that
after-
Kelly is in relationship with Pascal Pierre. Why you said on air with Pascal Pierre, and they were backstage. You were supposed to get that, but they were plunged in an ocean of like surprise, and everybody was, that's true. We're not informed. It means they hid something from us.
and I even read that. I read that on internet. Like we had been in a relationship for years now, and that's why when I traveled to France,
a month later, you went to France.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is because of
Yeah,
him. We've been in for a long time. But Senator said it when we started this evening on that day. I had it's a very ring until
Yeah, the
today.
same ring, yeah.
I had it on this same finger, but nobody could notice because it was a show. And at the time we were going in on set for that particular play because we had to announce the best comedian, the ladies, for the ladies. So he forgot, and I was telling me, Pascal, la bague, and he's like, so he took it and put it in his pocket, and I was like, okay, try not to forget what you have to say. So I was listening to him, and I had to play so people believe me.
Yeah.
And I'm really happy. I think
But
Mutumba will take me soon.
You
to
dead
the
with
election.
the first lady, Kelly.
Yeah,
you
because-
dead with the first lady seriously because
No, I love her
we
so
saw the
much.
cameras on the first lady
Yeah.
when that scene was we were playing. The first lady was like the legs on the
Yeah, she
floor.
was
Please
like-
accept,
Yeah, she said-
accept, Kelly, accept.
Quand j'ai vu l'image, vraiment, c'est ce qui m'a ébloui en tant que réalisateur, c'est sa capacité à entrer dans la peau du personnage, parce que c'était un personnage à cet instant, et l'émotion qu'elle a exprimée et tout, elle a
She was
presque-
surprised.
Oui.
He was very
Et-
surprised.
elle a
And
exactement
he behaved like somebody who never wanted it. Who never wanted it. And at
No,
the end of the day,
it was
who
not
never even was shocked first,
Yes.
shocked, and then wanted to say no. And then the public was yes, yes, yes. And then she was like, and she was influenced by
it
the
was
public
wonderful.
to accept the ring.
You did something like that in front of the first lady. Mean posted the eye. You didn't lie in front of the first lady.
No, she was just so happy herself.
We learned also that Kelly, the first lady, was ready to organize a marriage for you guys.
Yeah, she was like this. She really did believe it. And those who worked with
Till
her-
the end of that ceremony, she was
till
still
the
talking
end of
about it.
ceremony, and they were saying, okay, this is what the first lady wants. And I told the guy, like, we just said it was a
comedy.
It was a comedy. We were just playing role. I mean, it's just
Kelly,
a
you
character.
miss
It
your-
wasn't true.
You miss your wedding.
You miss your wedding just like that.
Yeah, and Pascal himself was like, let's get married now,
Yes,
and
it's
then
simple,
we'll
it's
see
simple,
later
yes,
on.
see
if
later
we
on.
No, seriously, I know Bevan knows this
So-
thing I play. Oh.
So Kelly, you'll be part of it this year again. You'll be hosting the event. This is not the first time you're hosting other big events. We'll come back to you. Why this intro? Ask any media personality that comes here, exception on comedians and or media personality. Why journalism or entertainment instead of something else? Or when you were young, what did you want to become?
A pilot.
A pilot.
That was my first dream. I've always wanted to be a pilot. When I was going to school, that was my real dream. I think I missed my way somehow.
Yeah.
Because I really missed it because I was doing sciences until I entered university where I was doing mathematics. And then my sister and my sister-in-law, they went and registered me for this ASMAC exam,
Advanced
entrance
School of
exam.
Mass Communication.
Yeah, they said, okay, because I started speaking French very late in my life. I hated French so much. I'm sorry. I hated French
Why are
so
you
much.
sorry?
No,
It's
because
just you.
we were really bullied, like
That you're
Anglophones, the
yeah.
Anglophones, and I just hated these Francophone people. I did not want to speak French. So I started speaking French very late. And when I started speaking it, I really wanted to speak it in a way that I would
correctly.
Yeah, in the way I would disgrace them with their own language.
Yeah.
So I started learning French, started translating some few things, and at the beginning it wasn't really easy. I mean, I was saying things that did not really exist, words that were not even created then. But I think my relatives saw in it something that I could do. At
And
the
they
point in
helped
time,
you.
yeah, they were telling me, why don't you go for translation? I didn't really like anything that was literature. So I wrote the entrance exam, and I was surprised myself to see I passed. And so I had to leave maths and physics in the University of Yaoundé to go enter ASMAC. And that's just how it went.
Now, but before then, Kelly, you're doing maths or sciences in the secondary school and up to the university. We also learned that you were into the media.
Yeah.
Radio.
Yeah, I was in it because there's this.
Did that not push you? Did that not help? That you, like your family was saying, but you're already doing the radio, Kelly. But I
That
don't know
is
how
true.
you're reconciling the two. You're doing sciences, mathematics, and you're on radio, Magic FM.
They will say my head
Yeah,
is just
yeah,
so all over the
you are a
place.
divided person.
Yes, because I started radio. It was somehow a mistake because I was a regular listener. And I used to call to win tickets to go and watch movies in Abia because I was in Yaoundé. I loved movies, so I would call and play, and then I win. And then when there are these small debates, I'll participate. Then one of these presenters told me once, okay, come and take your gift. And the way you speak French, it's not bad. I really like to see you. So when he saw me, I was really small girl. He was like, is this small girl? Are you the one debating such serious topics? I was like, yes, it's me. And so you speak French too? I said, yes, I speak a little French. And he's called Morgan Palmer. He's in France now. So he introduced me into radio. He started teaching me, okay, this is how you do. Do you want to start coming with us from time to time? I did that. So I started with radio. Actually, like I entered ASMAC in 2003. I started radio 3 years before. That is.
When you went into the Advanced School of Mass Communication, you were already a celebrity.
Yeah, I was already working.
Yeah, they knew you.
I'd been
and the
in
guy was like,
4 radios already.
Yes. Sky.
Yes, Sky, Magic FM. I was in CN2 and I was on
CRTV.
CRTV for a moment. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, Hello. I did it when I came out of school.
As an intern. Okay. Somebody have a question for her?
Just
yeah. And then now, Kelly, in the Advanced School of Mass Communication, you were such a rebel.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're such a rebel that your director will not understand why an intelligent girl will be creating a rebellion in his school because students were taken from Siantu who had their HND.
Yeah.
And then you call ferried carpenters to the Advanced School of Mass Communication.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After thinking about it today,
Benjamin,
really,
what's his name again?
Fudaifa.
Benjamin Fudaifa.
Yeah. Mireille, she was a wife though.
Yeah.
There is this other guy.
Jolicum?
Yeah. No. Jolicum, they came, they lived from the same, the school we were.
So you called them carpenter, you wrote an article, you wrote to the minister, you were complaining about the attitude of your director, and then you were leading the rebellion.
I was, yeah. So they really taught us well. We were really lucky to have good teachers.
Yes.
And they taught us what a journalist could do, how far we could go, and we really wanted to put that into practice. And personally, what I went into was investigative journalism. And when at that point we're in our second year, going to the third, we all did the entrance exam.
With Master Ivo.
Yeah, to enter the university, to enter ASMAC. Now they picked people because it wasn't, they didn't write any such
random selection.
They picked them, they said they just examined their files and they decided, okay, these three, and there were 5 at that time. I think they finally came when we were the second semester. They introduced them to us. I said, okay, as from now, these are part of your mates.
And you have to groom them.
Yes. Yeah. And we had to teach them somehow. We had to. I became a teacher myself because your teacher will tell you, okay, you take this and you help her do this, you help this other one do that. I'm just so necked.
Is it true that Daniel Anisenwa is the person who put that thing in your brain when he comes for the classes? He always tell you, Anisenwa, the sport journalist, who is a teacher, is a doctor though. They say, but you guys are in this class with carpenters and the rest. That's why that would lead to the rebellion.
Well, Anisenwa and this other teacher, Albert Bida, who was teaching us law, media law. I think he's the first person who started it because when he came into class, he said, mais vous recrutez déjà des menuisiers à l'Estique. This is, he looked at them and he was like, you could really feel the teacher himself was not happy about what was happening. So we decided to create a newspaper. We had our own, we created a little network in class to produce a very good newspaper. We called it L'Urgent. And we said all what was on our minds.
What was the emergency? To decry the situation?
Yes, it was not fair to just take people to come and join us who were not at the level and whom we had to help and force us to have the same diploma they would have at the end of our 3 years training. They had 2 before, but obviously it wasn't that good because they were not at the level. They weren't at the same level with us. We were second year, they were coming with second year results, but we're not the same level. So we wrote and were taken to the discipline council. We were
you were disgraced in front of
I think
Master
Master
Ivo.
You can remember Master Ivo. It was our own sort of strike.
Yeah.
And the director was just so
all the Bamenda people around the graphic.
Yeah, but I think it was a good lesson. It's unfortunate today students are not bold enough to do such big things. It wasn't that big for us because we just...
They were courageous.
And we wrote so well. I mean, the way we wrote, it was really...
They could not rubbish what you wrote.
It's the content. It was not the way we wrote stuff because we really did it well. And so they were just like, you cannot say this about your teacher, about your director, about... And it's okay, we're sorry. So because they were threatening to dismiss all of us. So we had to say we're sorry.
Okay, we'll come back to Kelly. Mitumba is your movie, your series is nominated at Canal d'Or this year. La Reine Blanche. You shot this series in the West region of Cameroon. Oh boy, tell me, the sponsorship, the finances, is it easy?
It's not easy.
Did you sell your house to do that? Because very professional.
But before you say anything, I just want to say, I have been watching your movies, but in this one, I find you just amazing. You're just so natural. I mean, I didn't even have the feeling he was playing. It's just like he is doing it. Yeah. Really.
Okay. Since Kelly don't enter for that talk about me, talk for that. Let's watch an excerpt of La Reine Blanche.
Voici l'œuf avec lequel nous allons effectuer le test pour savoir si Bengono est encore vierge.
Je vous en prie. J'ai un mot à dire.
Ce que tu fais là s'appelle comédie où tu crois sincèrement que ta fille est encore vierge. Camden, sache que quand une machette passe la nuit dehors, elle porte forcément la rouille.
Décroche, non?
Allô? S'il te plaît, rappelle-moi après, je suis avec ma tante. Merci.
Oh, Caroline, qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Ce sont sans doute des filets, hein?
Je ne pense pas, maman. Mitumba, qui t'a donné ce téléphone avec lequel tu te vantes partout là?
M'a donné. Donc je suis incapable de m'acheter un téléphone.
Toi que je connais, t'as acheté un téléphone. Je ne meurs pas.
J'ai donc acheté. Et pas du n'importe quoi. Hein. Mon fils a appelé ça Android.
La Reine Blanche vous est offerte par Castelbeer.
Okay. Ituba, how much time did it take you to write that series?
Pour l'écriture, ça m'a pris 2 ans et demi.
And then the field work.
Maintenant, la production ça a pris 1 an.
1 year.
Oui, 1 an, du moins 10 mois pour être plus.
How many people were your crew?
L'équipe technique, c'est, je crois, 15-16 personnes. Voilà. Maintenant, les acteurs, il y a 56 acteurs. Qui sont,
How did you manage it? Mindful of the fact that it's very difficult in Cameroon nowadays to look for sponsors, to do stuff like that.
Oui, c'est vraiment difficile de faire le film au Cameroun. Et puis encore les séries qui coûtent plus cher. Voilà, et tout. Bon, on a eu de la chance de faire ce métier avec beaucoup de passion. Et que au début, bon, les gens n'ont pas cru en nous, mais notre travail a permis que les gens peu à peu commencent à croire en nous. Donc, aussi, j'ai eu de la chance d'avoir travaillé avant de commencer ce métier. Ça veut dire que j'avais fait quelques petites économies avant de commencer. Donc ça m'a permis d'avancer. Puisque jusqu'aujourd'hui, je n'ai jamais reçu de soutien de l'État, du ministère de la Culture pour faire mes productions. C'est quelques entreprises de la place, notamment Castel et tout, qui m'accompagnent dans presque toutes mes séries, à qui je dis merci. Et tous ces différentes sociétés aussi qui m'accompagnent lors de la diffusion. Voilà. Express Union, Pasta, Hygienix, Tiof, ainsi de suite.
But I also learned that you sell some of your series to international channels like TV5 Monde.
Oui, nous.
La Reine Blanche.
Oui, La Reine Blanche est déjà en diffusion sur TV5. Bah, c'est une série qui est hyper sollicité. Voilà, donc bon, c'est une fierté parce qu'on y a mis beaucoup de moyens. Les moyens à la fois financiers, les moyens humains, parce qu'on a recruté des gens qui ont une bonne ressource. On a eu de la chance d'avoir une bonne directrice de production qui vraiment maîtrisait le métier et qui nous a permis de mieux organiser.
Yes, we'll come to that. Did this White Queen in Bangante inspire you when you were writing this series?
Un peu.
Yeah.
Un peu. Parce que je n'invente pas mes histoires. Voilà, je parle de ce qui se trouve à côté de moi. J'ai fait une peinture de la société. Donc, en partie, la reine indiquée m'a inspiré. Bon, mais je n'ai pas voulu faire son histoire parce que ce n'était pas ce que je ressentais.
Before Kelly comes to that question, Mitumba, can you evaluate how much it took you to produce this series, La Reine Blanche?
La Reine Blanche, c'est 213 millions.
213 millions?
Oui, pour toute la production. 213 millions.
How many people are in the crew?
Je vous ai dit qu'on a
50. 160 people.
15 à 16 techniciens et près de 60
and all of them,
comédiens.
You carry them to the West region, hotels, everything.
Oui, il fallait amener tous ces gens à l'Ouest, les loger, les nourrir, les soigner même.
You get money.
Aussi. Donc, bon, je ne peux pas dire ce que j'ai de l'argent. Les gens, il y a des gens.
You're talking about Brasserie du Cameroun,
qui
Pasta,
m'accompagnent. Mais la plupart viennent pendant la diffusion. Mais pendant la production, on n'en a pas assez. Il n'y a que peut-être Castel et Genix qui nous accompagnent dans la production, à qui je dis merci. Mais c'est une production à 75%. Ce sont mes propres ressources. Voilà.
How many houses you sell them for you to shoot that blanc?
Vous dites?
How many houses you sell them?
Oh, bah écoutez, on n'a pas besoin de vendre des maisons et tout. J'ai de la chance d'avoir aussi des fans qui m'aiment et qui m'apportent leur contribution. Il y a des gens qui nous supportent de par le monde de l'Allemagne, des États-Unis et tout, qui apportent leur pierre à ce que nous édifions.
When you do such a production, hundreds of thousands,
oui.
millions of millions, oui. How much do you expect to gain at the end?
Je vous en prie, lorsqu'on fait une production comme celle-ci, il faut attendre des années pour entrer dans cette dépense. Ce n'est pas une seule chaîne, ce n'est même pas 2 chaînes de télévision qui vont vous rembourser ce que vous avez dépensé. Donc, quand on fait une production pareille, les retombées, c'est à long terme. Parce qu'une série peut se vendre même 20 ans après. Vous comprenez que j'ai fait Foyer polygamique en 2006. C'est à partir de 2012 que j'ai commencé à vendre Foyer polygamique aux chaînes étrangères. Donc, de 2006 à 2012, il n'y avait rien. Vous comprenez?
If an actress plays what you like in this series,
oui.
How much does she gain? It's just an
salary,
average.
An average salary.
How much can...
Bon, ça dépend. Ça dépend parce que on paye les acteurs, selon ce qu'ils sont et selon ce qu'ils font.
And it ranges between what I want to have an idea.
Somebody like Kelly, for
Because I want
example,
to
you have to
play,
pay her good money, right? Because of her image, and then her image can sell to the shop.
C'est pas un prix catalogue. On n'a pas écrit ça quelque part. Nous, on discute.
You negotiate.
Voilà, on négocie et tout. Donc, c'est...
Because I see in the US, people gain, thousands of billions just for playing for a movie or a...
Non, c'est pas encore arrivé au Cameroun.
A series. So I'm beginning to dream that maybe
ne rêvez pas encore au stade des États-Unis, ne rêvez même pas encore au stade du Nigeria. Nous n'avons pas encore les moyens.
But you have subvention from the Ministry of Culture and Arts because apparently there's a budget.
J'ai jamais eu. Yeah. J'ai jamais eu de soutien du ministre de l'État pour faire mes productions. Donc, je le fais de mes propres moyens avec quelques sociétés qui m'accompagnent. Bon, on arrive à payer tout le monde selon le budget. Voici comment on fonctionne pour faire...
You have a contract with all your comedians?
Je fais le contrat avec tout le monde. Vous comprenez? Yeah. Lorsque vous voulez faire une production, vous êtes le producteur, c'est vous qui avez votre budget. J'ai un budget de 100 millions pour faire ce film. Si je dois avoir 20 millions pour faire la pré-production, ça veut dire qu'il faut payer peut-être les scénarios, les dialoguistes, aller faire les repérages, acheter les matériels, caméras, et ainsi de suite. Il y a la production. C'est vous qui fixez. Si j'ai prévu 15 millions pour payer les acteurs, je me limite à ces 15 millions. Et je fais avec ceux qui vont entrer dans mon budget. Donc, c'est le producteur qui le définit ainsi selon ses moyens.
Because we don't have good sponsors.
Oui. Donc, voilà. Donc,
it's not helping.
I have a question. How long can it take that from the edition of the script to the realization, to the shooting of the program and
the series?
Of the series.
Oui, j'ai dit l'écriture m'a pris 2 ans et demi pour écrire les 150 épisodes, c'est long aussi, de La Reine Blanche, et je l'ai fait en collaboration avec Nobissu Wafo et Tchelemo, parce que depuis j'ai fait Foyer polygamique, ennemi intime, cercle vicieux, le conjoint d'autrui, c'est moi qui faisais tout. Mais à partir de La Reine Blanche, je faisais les séquenciers et j'ai recruté les dialoguistes pour alléger un peu ma tâche. Voilà. Et déjà...
Aussi des professionnels.
Oui.
Yeah. Donc, and then, how you feeling since Foyer Polygamique, it's on prime time on TV in Cameroon. You are on prime time. Generally, the tendency was going to South America, look for telenovelas and come and show Cameroonians. But now you're on prime time, 7:30 on the #1 TV.
Oui.
Yeah.
Écoutez, c'est une fierté.
Yeah.
Et ce n'est pas facile.
Yeah.
Ce n'est pas un cadeau qu'on m'a fait. C'est parce que le travail l'impose. Si vous ne diffusez pas cette série en prime time, c'est que la télé ne veut pas avoir d'audience. Parce que les séries camerounaises, les miennes en particulier, sont... Regardez, je suis à la 7e série déjà faite. Donc, et j'ai eu de la chance dès le début d'avoir de bons techniciens, de bons acteurs qui ont permis que le travail soit bien. Donc, on est en prime time, on est regardé, c'est une fierté pour nous. Et c'est encore, ça nous appelle à travailler davantage parce qu'il faut rester là. Le public, il oublie vite.
Yeah.
Voilà, donc il faut continuer. Chaque œuvre que nous faisons, on essaie d'ajouter un plus pour que l'œuvre soit mieux faite que la précédente.
Okay, Mitumba, your series is nominated at Canal d'Or this year. Last 2015, you were not there. But this year you're going to be there. You won. You won for sure. This year you're going to be there. Let me speak like an American. For sure, you won.
Yes,
you're going to be there this year.
Yes.
Okay. You're going to be leaving Douala tomorrow to Yaoundé to attend the event.
Yes, I will be there.
Yes, Kelly will host that. So, Canal d'Or, I think category meilleure série télévisée. TV, sorry.
Canal d'Or, acte 11, les nominés. Meilleure série TV.
Votez par SMS en envoyant le code correspondant à votre artiste ou appelez tout simplement au 88 00 20 21.
La Reine Blanche de Ebenezer Kepombia.
Quelque chose me dit qu'ils ont ensemble mangé la dot de Bengono. Merde! Pourquoi tu t'agis?
Chumbo est ma petite. C'est ta petite. C'est ta femme. Tu nies parce que ce serait honteux pour toi que l'on sache que tu sois avec une fille qui est muette et qui bave dans tout le village. Voilà.
Alléluia.
Les aventures de Monica de Antoinette Ngodenge.
Ça te donne quoi?
Mon téléphone que tu as confisqué.
Moi, je peux te donner le téléphone là.
Oui, maman, je suis en train de rater les messages.
Je m'en fous de tes messages. Je ne donne pas. Un téléphone qui ne reste pas tranquille, c'est Mambo. D'ailleurs, dis à ta soeur qu'elle me donne plus. Elle n'envoie plus les téléphones à ma fille. Elle envoie le téléphone de 400 000. Les bandits peuvent venir mettre ici.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a avec le bruit?
Dolo de Clovis Tchonge.
Donne-moi à boire à tous ces assoiffés-ci. C'est à mon compte.
Et pour dire que le type n'a pas bouffé la tontine, il prend l'argent ou pour donner à boire.
Bravo, les amoureux. Bravo.
Tu vois? Tu vois dans quelle merde tu m'as mise? Cette femme que tu vois, c'est ma belle-mère. Vas-y, explique-lui. Dis-lui. Mais dis-lui la vérité.
Tu veux que m'explique quoi?
Balade dans la cité de Aimé Ouafo.
Tu te rends compte, chérie? Depuis que mon idiot de chauffeur est allé immatriculer la voiture ce matin, il n'est toujours pas de retour jusqu'à 7 heures.
Tu ne l'as pas appelé?
Mais si, je l'ai fait. Sale fainéant. C'est toi qui veux détruire mon couple, n'est-ce pas?
Tu as de la chance. Ton foyer n'est pas encore détruit. Tu vois bien que ma situation est plus insoutenable que la tienne.
Tu prétends que la situation dans laquelle tu m'as mis n'est pas si grave? Tu dis tes bêtises à qui? Tu crois que je vais arrêter le spectacle? Arrêtez! Merde!
La guerre des biens de Jean de Dieu Tchenyembe.
Nous ne sommes pas ici là pour ça.
Nous sommes là pourquoi? Pour savoir comment se sont passées tes balades avec tes coyotes. Quand papa se tortillait, tu étais dans tes balades à tout et fait dans des restaurants avec des putes. Et aujourd'hui, tu veux venir savoir comment se passent les biens?
Tu veux savoir de quoi on a parlé et sur qui on a tiré à boulet rouge?
Oui, oui.
Ils ont tiré à boulet rouge sur notre couple. Ils ont demandé ton départ immédiat de cette maison.
You don't ask question, finish it, you don't ask your own.
No, I'm gonna ask my question.
Yeah, ask your own.
You know, wait,
Wait,
it's time for corner big man.
Yes.
You to be big man.
Yes.
I know a big man, I'm
Big man, I don't hear for 100 million. In it 100,000, 100 million, 150 million, 230 million. Now only million. Since only million, I never hear 1,000 and hundreds of millions. There's no big man.
No,
they
hear
talk. Oh, tu sais bien, on tourne, on fait le professionnalisme.
Can we have him on the screen, Patrick? Calvino.
You know, say no, it don't go camp. You know, say don't cross camera.
Yeah.
So my question, what to be that question?
Elle a plus pensé à l'argent.
You don't forget what you want to see.
No, okay. That money part. You say, you know, get company away, the poor hand for corner. Government know the poor hand for corner. So that then you still deny, say you know be millionaire, you know be big man, you know hammer. You see, but that amount, so you owe how many people so far?
Bah non, c'est pas. Je vous ai dit que j'ai d'abord travaillé avant de commencer ce métier, mais ce n'est pas dit que c'est le travail qui m'a permis de le faire. Ce qui m'a permis de faire la production, ce sont les DVD. Je vais vous conter une petite histoire en
quelques secondes.
En quelques secondes.
Yes.
Moi, je décide, quand j'ai commencé ce métier, j'étais produit par Canal 2.
Yeah.
À un moment
Now,
donné,
you were shooting in village,
oui,
with big mobs and the rest.
À un moment donné, c'était un peu difficile au Canal 2 à la fois de couvrir le journal avec les caméras et venir faire les productions. C'était un peu complexe. Du moins, ça n'allait pas à mon rythme. Et j'ai dit il fallait que je trouve des moyens pour m'acheter mes propres matériels. Je me suis lancé dans la vente de DVD. Alors, j'ai parcouru le Cameroun du nord au sud, de l'est à l'ouest. Je partais.
You need to tell them because people,
oui, pour que les
people
gens
see your
comprennent.
success now, begin to
Les
say
gens
that
pensent que
you went to a juju man.
j'ai vendu en moins de 2 ans plus de 125 000 DVD. C'est 1000 francs le DVD. Il y en a qui, pour m'encourager, m'achetaient le DVD même à 10 000 francs. J'allais dans les marchés, les gens m'insultaient. Ce n'est pas toi, un artiste, qui doit venir au marché vendre les DVD. J'écumais les bureaux, on m'insultait, j'avais mon objectif à atteindre. Et quand j'ai pu avoir les moyens pour m'acheter les matériels, je l'ai fait. Et j'ai stoppé devant les DVD. Même si, oui, les gens, ceux qui m'attendaient dans les marchés, ne me voyaient plus. Et même, une petite anecdote encore, pendant que je vendais les DVD, un jour, j'étais au marché Mokolo. Oui, à Yaoundé pour vendre les DVD. Je suis entré dans le marché, j'ai vendu des DVD. Et quelques minutes après, je suis sorti. Je suis entré dans ma voiture. Quelqu'un à qui j'ai vendu les DVD, il est ressorti. Il dit, hey, tu as la voiture et tu viens nous vendre les DVD. Ne passe plus.
So the person was like buying and
oui, quoi, bon, lui, oui, c'était pour m'aider et tout, j'avais mon avis. Donc, j'ai dû essuyer des insultes, des moqueries.
And for people who don't know, Bitumba, you are a teacher.
Oui.
You are a teacher.
C'est pour ça que je dis que
avant de language teacher in the school in Douala, so you are a teacher.
Avant de
commencer, so you have a salary.
Avant de commencer ce métier, j'avais déjà construit ma première maison.
Yes.
Voilà, donc, avec mon salaire d'enseignant. Donc, pour répondre à ta question, c'est parce que j'ai sué sous le soleil. Donc, on va voir.
Yes.
Porter le sac de DVD comme ça au dos, marcher dans des rues et tout pour vendre. Aujourd'hui, les gens vont dire qu'il dort avec les serpents, il montait et tout. À Bafoussam. À Bafoussam, une année, je suis allé, j'ai vendu 1300 DVD en un jour.
Do the calculation. 1000.
Au marché.
1300.
Les gens, c'est pendant qu'on diffusait Foyer Polygamique. Yes. On était populaire à la télé. Tout le monde nous admirait. J'ai atterri à Bafoussam au marché. Les gens me voyaient pour la première marché A.
Marché A.
Les gens me voyaient pour la première fois. Les gens partaient du quartier. Les nouvelles allaient de partout. Je n'ai pas bougé, je suis resté au même endroit. C'est les gens qui quittaient pour venir m'acheter les DVD.
1300 DVDs.
Voilà. Au même endroit. Et le même jour, malheureusement aussi, on m'a giflé. Une femme m'a giflé correctement.
Why did she slap you?
Parce que...
C'était un mauvais mari.
Oui, elle dit que elle me disait que je menaçais Mado.
That is you sold for 1.3 million. 1.3 million on the same spot.
Sous le soleil, au même endroit, les gens me bousculaient et tout. Voilà, plus une belle gifle. On a retenu la main, on dit Mitumba, il est au marché, il dit qu'il est où? La femme arrive, elle dit comme ça, elle dit que... Non, elle arrive, elle bouscule les gens. Elle dit, c'est vraiment lui. Je vous dis, bonjour maman, elle me gifle. Qu'est-ce que tu prends, Amado? On lui dit, voilà. Donc, vraiment, cette histoire m'a marqué.
Bon, c'est plaisir à me share your experience. Ok.
Et je suis heureux et je voudrais dire que je suis le seul artiste nominé à toutes les éditions de Canal d'Or.
Yeah, for sure.
Donc, chaque année, je suis là. Ça veut dire.
Does that mean you're still working on other series?
Non, je compte 15 jours qu'on me donne le trophée de performance artistique parce que c'est pas donné.
Yeah, I want to know if right now you're working on another series.
Oui. Dès la fin de cette année. Les Reines Blanches, c'est déjà. Je ne peux pas dire dans la sauce. On a déjà fini. On a déjà fini avec la production de la Reine Blanche, même si on est encore un peu en post-production. Mais on est déjà.
You're preparing another series. Kabino, another question.
So if person want join Mitumba in acting, so how it go?
Patrick,
like if me now so a young comedian like me.
Yes.
Because I don't struggle for sexy as we talk. But you want sexy now, so you will go for my house, you beg, you say, I mean, I'll be the artist, see my face with that one sexy. Now, would you see use DVD now? We need to see use with DVD. Now, so they watch all things for TV. So, me now, so how me, I feel join Mitumba, or how I feel get to that level?
No, we used to organize casting. When we are preparing for a movie,
I will tell you.
And they will announce it.
If you want to just call me, I will tell you. Oh,
I don't have money.
You'll soon be rich.
You don't have money. Okay, it's hot news. That will be concluding the program. Hot news with hot news. Sorry, with Etunde. Etunde. Tunde, you're talking about Okala Bilai, Canada, homage to Joseph Mbui. Yeah, Mr. Lycée de Buka Voyage, and Boko Haram.
Yeah. So our hot news page opens with the governor of the Southwest region, Bernard Okala Bilai, who during the 22nd edition of the Cameroon Mountain Race of Hope, seized the opportunity to call on the population to come back, to go to the students to go back to school and the population to return to their normal lives. A call which irritated many people who thought that he was arrogant in his way of speaking, and some reportedly said that they could not go out because they cannot go out because the town is full and
militarized.
It's militarized, and they are threatened by the policemen around the town.
Okay. Okala Bilai have been saying things like that for long. He treated some of the teachers like he called them Boko Haram, and the Minister of Secondary Education rubbished that statement, and other ministers, and he's been calling on school resumption, calling again and again, and tried his hand, carried cameras to some schools and met the gates closed and told camera people, no, don't film it again, don't go to TV with it. Can he, the governor is trying his best. Every now and then he's threatening, begging, no school resumption.
I think maybe it's not even
the method.
It is about the procedure and the method. You can insult somebody in the morning and pretend in the afternoon that you didn't mean it.
Yeah.
And then the next day you do same. So I think when you go into such jobs, because for us here in Cameroon, being a civil servant is like a career thing. When you get into it, you should be prepared to do diplomacy. When you are into diplomacy, you don't go to war for every single act or action one of a citizen does.
But how do you compare the attitude of Okala Bilai and Lele Laflichu for them in the Northwest? A lot of diplomacy.
I think they had to. In the case of Okali, I think he had to take some time off before reacting. He overreacted because he went very fast. He wanted to do something. He wanted to be seen for what he was doing, and that is the main issue, because he went and news went for what he had done. And he had to come back.
Disgraced.
And he lives with these people. This is the population he's supposed to direct, to manage. He lives with them, and he wants to hamper them and console them at the same time. You use one method at a time.
Okay. Etumba, Okala Bilai. Using the Man Cameroon Race of Hope to talk about back to school again. He has been saying it again and again and again, and it's not yielding any fruit. He insulted the teachers. He said they were Boko Harams.
That's an overstatement.
He said it on Cameroon Calling. It's not like,
c'est une situation qu'il faut régler parce que Pour moi, l'école, il n'y a rien de plus important que l'école. Donc, ça me dérange que les gens n'aillent pas à l'école et tout. Donc, mon souhait, c'est que très vite, les gens retournent à l'école parce que on a besoin d'école pour préparer l'avenir des individus. Et
Can the release of those who are in prison today help solve the situation? That's the take of Achidi Achu.
Oui, c'est possible.
Okay.
C'est possible parce que ça va un peu apaiser les tensions et tout. Donc, il faut ça.
Calvino Wala, yeah, your take about the call for the resumption of schools by Okala Bidai.
I don't say the way they go about this thing, they're going the wrong way. Because even now, so I be there school the morning time. I be inside UB now, so yeah, I be there UB this morning time before they can. So the way they make now, so one man they just pass around, they check the. It be like they threaten the teachers and the students. Some person just they pass around, they mark names of students and teachers. That there will not be done at secondary school, for inside university. Why do they mark names? Then they will come inside class out of 100 students. They will come in like 3 students. Lecture at the lecture, serious lectures. How that one
can
Mm-hmm.
help? In a faculty, and for French they say faculté c'est facultatif. It means no force don't get for.
You know, if force man for go school.
They're not supposed to be.
Like university man, you know, if force him for go school or not. Okay, Itunde, what happened in Canada?
Yeah, still with the same problem, the same crisis. The Canadian Lawyers Professional Board calls on the Cameroonian government to respect the people's rights, and they call for
immediate
release and unconditioned release of Barrister Agbo Bala, yes, Agbo Bala, and a fair hearing. Let's remind that he was arrested on the 17th last month, and the next hearing is on the 23rd. Of this month, so they are calling on a fair hearing.
The Canadian colleagues are calling on his release, unconditional release. Okay, homage to Joseph Ngui, the former Minister of National Education. The minister who created Lycée de Mbopi, which is Lycée de Mbopi is now an agency. I think Buka Voyage, I think it's Lycée de Buka Voyage, something like that.
Yeah, so he died in Paris at the age of 79.
Yeah.
And that's in Paris. And he
was sick for some time.
He was sick for some times, and he's an ex-deputy.
Yes.
Ex-deputy and
Honorable Mbui, Joseph.
And vice president of the African group in the Executive Council of UNESCO. So, but he is actually he's best known for his fellow into politics. And his fellow into the fellow of his candidature into the UNESCO. That's in the
he failed in so many aspects in politics.
Yes, that is
okay. Peace. His soul rest in peace. Yeah. Boko Haram.
Yeah. So the fight against Boko Haram. The teams from the United Nations Security Council will visit Cameroon tomorrow. A visit which has as objective to come and evaluate the situation in the field. And this team is going to move in the northern part of Cameroon. That's the part affected by the Boko Haram attacks, and it will last for some days. For 15 days. It will last for 15 days, where they will evaluate what is already done in the field to send back this terrorist group and see how they can put more.
Effort to solve this problem. Yeah, because the vigilante groups are helping our armed force. To fight these bandits. I call them bandits, Boko Haram, rustics who are killing people for no just reason in the name of one God they don't even respect, because I don't know any book that advise people to kill the others. Like what's happening in South Africa, in one word, you've been to South Africa before, and then this xenophobic tendency in South Africa today, Mitumba, seeing our black brothers using machetes to kill their fellow black brothers because they say they come and push drugs in their countries, that they steal their jobs. In a country, in a black country, black people killing black people.
C'est honteux. Et vraiment, le gouvernement devrait prendre toutes les mesures.
People in South Africa are saying that Zuma is incompetent. That's why this thing is happening in the country.
Voilà. Et aussi, nous on voulait de parler de l'école. Vous savez que l'Afrique du Sud est un pays qui progressivement se met en place sur le côté éducation. Il y a beaucoup de gens qui avant ne sont pas allés à l'école.
Mais les police should do their job.
Voilà.
Et
c'est pas facile lorsque la population n'est pas très bien éduquée. Donc je pense que cela contribue.
So the African Union should come and educate these people that they are black, because they are mixed with whites, they are whites.
Mais la grosse responsabilité, c'est celle du gouvernement.
Yeah.
Voilà. Parce que
Xenophobia,
rien ne dépasse l'État.
Yeah.
Donc,
Xenophobia in South Africa, Kelly.
I think the word was really that education, because in South Africa, very few black people go to school even.
You were in South Africa 2010.
Yeah, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013.
Yeah.
So I was there like 3 months a year. And what I saw was like apartheid just ended in 1994.
Yes.
So it is
with the
still,
election of Mandela.
Yeah, they're still living it. Whites work with white, black work with black, and most of the restaurant you find only black people serve it because they don't want to go to school. We put aside the fact that school it's free. They don't want to. They feel that is their job. They have to sell things. They have to work in restaurants. They don't want to go to school.
And then when they see rich African black
they
people
don't want
like
that. They don't have the education.
Black people like them who are rich,
they consider them white.
They want to kill them.
Yes, they consider them as. Those
So why are you black and very rich like that?
Yes.
Ils n'ont pas l'éducation, le niveau requis pour faire certains travaux. Mais quand ils voient d'autres noirs venus d'ailleurs qui le font,
they feel threatened.
They become annoyed.
And that's why I really think for once I'm happy Mandela is dead already, because he would have been so disappointed seeing these black people he was fighting for killing themselves. And the reason why Mandela acted the way he did is because he went to school. It's because he learned how to negotiate, how to accept certain things. And if you want to live with people, you have to know them and confide to some other things. You cannot have everything.
Okay, thank you. Mitumba, what next now? Do we have? Can we have an idea for what you're going to shoot your next series, or you're still working on it? When are you going to the field? You choose if you want to answer the first or the second.
Le moment venu, on va en parler.
Okay.
Le poussin est encore dans l'œuf.
Now for Canada, how can your fans who are watching you right now on Obusi vote for you, because they need to support you with their votes?
Oui, qu'ils aillent sur la page Facebook de Canal d'Or Art 11. Voilà, catégorie meilleure série ou bien meilleur comédien. On aime ma photo.
You just click like.
On like. Et c'est tout.
And then for those who are watching you now, young Cameroonians who become
those who don't have, he's talking about those who don't have internet.
Bah écoutez, moi...
On a SMS. Yeah. 88002121, something like that.
Yes, I think.
88002021.
Quelque chose comme ça.
Yeah. Now, Mitumba, an advice to the young people who are watching you. You are their role model for some. They want to be like you. What are you telling them this afternoon? Because this is the end of the program.
Allez à l'école.
Go to school.
Allez à l'école, étudier,
learn,
et bien sûr, faites-vous former.
Yeah.
Parce que l'école n'est pas... L'école, ce n'est pas un stage d'emploi ou bien l'école ne prépare pas à l'emploi. C'est après l'école qu'on choisit l'emploi qu'il faut faire, qu'on peut faire, et on se fait former.
So you need to go to school and then later on you have a proper training.
Et chaque chose que vous faites, faites-le avec amour, faites-le avec engagement. Si vous êtes callboxer, faites votre callbox avec amour et avec ambition. Faites-le pour réussir, ne faites pas pour perdre le temps. Chaque chose qu'on fait pour perdre le temps, on ne réussit pas. On peut même vendre les cigarettes si on le fait par passion, parce qu'on veut réussir sa vie. On deviendra un grand vendeur de cigarettes.
Thank you, Mishumba. He's talking about passion. Their passion. Kelly?
Yes, sir.
You'll be one of the hosts of this other edition of Canal d'Or.
And you'll be there with me.
For sure, God willing. Now, so many Cameroonian young girls love what you're doing. You're their role model. They want to have a word of advice from you.
Yeah, I'm so humbled by the love people give me either in the streets or my daily life, and most of all the love I get from those who love me.
Exactly.
Just like the senator who's part of my life, and it's been that way for a long time now. All what I can tell those watching and who love what I'm doing is, if you can do what you love, then love what you do. Things happen. You might end up doing not what you planned at the beginning. So if you cannot do what you like what you do, and do it with love and passion, and make it outstanding that what you are doing, you really like it.
Thank you, Kelly. Calvino will take the appointment for Monday. No, for Tuesday, sorry. For Tuesday. Actually, let's take the appointment for Monday.
For Monday.
Yeah, and you'll be traveling to Yaoundé Friday, Patrick Chamani, Dalida Ngo, and Victorine Fokala. Yeah.
Vicky Fokal.
Mitumba, wish you good luck. I hope that you come back next week. We invite you to this program with the award.
Yeah.
Kelly is not going to win anything, but thank you so very much. For those who wrote us a text message, Brenda from Douala likes the program and thinks we should educate our children and not create taboo subject. Yes, you're writing in Douala, Mark in Douala. Yes, it's true. An example is just like cause I want to learn something about which I'm too shy to know. Okay, that's your interest for sex, everyday sex topic. Hey, in the studio, Goodwill from Bafoot. People like talking about sex because that is what any human being must do in future, and some people prefer it to other things in life. Thank you for watching the program in Bafoot. Abela, Abon, I don't know if they even need to say Abela. Why people are always interested in sex topics, because sex is a very sensitive issue which has negative and positive impacts in our lives. Time is, guys, you can see Patrick Fossen because that is what they like doing best. Melvis from DOP. Yeah, one last text message. My name is Titi Marcel from Kumba. Wishing all of you who were sorry we could not read all your text messages on the program today. A lot of people did contribute on the program. Hopefully on tomorrow or Friday we're coming back with the text, reading the text messages. Kelly was there, Pastor K. Mitumba, happy to have you here on the program. Calvino is going to be here on Tuesdays and Tuesday and Wednesdays.
Thank you for having us.
Why our brother from Kumba, what's his name? Sparko Lee is going to be there on Monday and Thursdays. The cameraman, thank you, Frank Henry Noga. Thank you to Raul Ngufo. Thank you, Patrick Chamani. From me to you is bye-bye.
Hey. Hey. Nisarem fiale wele yamo. Ok. Nya sol c'est un bout de man avec faux commentaires. Nya c'est encore plus fort ceux qui veulent commenter. MC tu joues mal mais devant moi je souris. J'm'en fous d'abord que la plupart de tous vos flots sont pourris. Mon mola a fait plaisir pour ma béni. Mon mola beau te rap sans moi c'est comme un homme sans pénis. Et quand j'arrive dans leur périmètre, ils se sentent bizarre comme quand je niaise une voix sans qu'elle de gémir. C'est le God qui me guide, tu n'as jamais je me vide. Paraît que je suis rapide, paraît que tu sais rapper, mais chaque fois que tu le fais, c'est le bruit de la chicha que tes couvents me rappellent. Je suis plus de rappeler pour me nier, je suis pas la jeu en plaque, pour le dab comme dab. Du coup là je n'ai vraiment pas le temps, là pourquoi tu as 100 dos. Si je viens à ton anniv, tu me fais un cadeau. Ceux qui m'aiment au col, mais ça aime bien le wele yamo. Aime d'agoum au col, mais ça aime bien le wele yamo. J'ai pas l'idée, pas les grands là. Pas demande au king. Hey, ok. Donc poser sur un bitosco c'est être un bon rappeur. Rapper contre les politiques c'est ça qu'ils appellent rapper. Ils connaissent tout derrière clavier mais venez donc rapper. Le buzz vous manque mais qui vous dit que faire un hit c'est savoir rapper. On voyage dans le pour rester sur place, la main dans l'air. À l'époque du smartphone, vous voulez combat quand tu recours était long. Je suis africain normal que je fasse de la pro, j'ai compris un peu tôt, je doute ça comme un produit donc faut pas me casser le dos, ça vient de jouer les puristes. Mais ça ne choque pas les dos. Je suis aussi Joe, pas le temps de m'auto-proclamer. Je fais ça mieux, je fais pas ça bien bon quand même tu connais. 11 avril 98 je suis né et si toi pour certains je suis le meilleur rappeur camerounais. C'est no new friends, tu forces sur toi le couteau d'Ocho. Où était-il quand on les marche avec Stiba Fofojo? Tu me vois plus toi en prestation, fais le prix trop de négociation, ça me brinque trop de vexation. Je veux des milliards, j'aime pas si t'es pas chaud. 5, 9, 3, 7, bientôt l'argent sera plus le club. Votre mola n'a pas de flamme, j'pense au taf, faut que les jeunes. Nord de peau, nord de swag, j'rappe en jean slim bébé, je t'aime, je quitte après 3 mois. J'ai le flow de